Welcome to hybridizing. Hybridizing is one of the most data-intensive things you can do when you're talking about dahlias. And thus we think it's one of the areas of clade that is the most impactful to track. Here we have a database that's completely separate from the database of dahlias you're using for your inventory. These are all of your unnamed seedlings that you're still testing. Once you take a seedling out of testing, you'll want to move it to the inventory. In the meantime, here's where you'll do all your tracking. So we'll add a new variety using whatever naming convention you use for your seeds. And then you can track many of the same things you're used to in the inventory: height, bloom size, ADS information, location. Where it starts to get different is when you're talking about seed and pollen parents. We go all the way back to grandparents so that over time you can really see what's happening in the lineage of your particular varieties. You can also track whether you're collecting seeds from a particular seedling, whether you're going to be pollinating it, the date it was pollinated, anything that you do by hand. You'll also track whether you want to keep it and what year it's being tested for. This whole next section is all around the traits. So base life, plant habit, tuber production, all of that, track those traits. And then any notes or description that's important. You can also add several images so you can get a sense of what that variety looks like year over year. Once I save that, I can see it among all my varieties, and I can do some cool things like search for just the parents that have Cafe au lait rose. So quickly being able to see what's going on, or let's only look at what I'm keeping from 2025. I'm really excited for you to try this out because this is one of the most powerful modules.